Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 7 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, tap button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match and make sure that Hey Google is enabled. Now go back, enter lock screen and make sure that Assistant responses on lock screen are enabled also. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, OK Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be showers with a high of 64 and a low of 46.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.